In today's video, we are going to show you how to get real-time market data on NinjaTrader, especially if you are tired of delayed charts or wondering why your prices don't move in real time. This video will fix that. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials and then hover to the top right corner where you can see your profile icon and click the settings. From here, I want you to click the plans, because the only way for you to get the real-time market data on NinjaTrader is by having that on your subscription plan. As you can see, market data subscriptions are available to funded brokerage account holders. In my case, I am using the free trial, and if you do, I want you to click the Start Application button. This will forward you to a new page. All I have to do here is very simple, alright? Pick an account type to get started. You can use an individual, which is going to be a single person is authorized to access the account, or maybe a joint. 2 people have access and can make trades. Now, if you wanted to know more of the account types, you can choose from the IRA or business entity. But for now, we're going to choose the individual. And once you have successfully picked an account type and subscribed to the market data, you would be able to launch the NinjaTrader desktop platform, and you'll see the control center open automatically. This is where all connections and data settings are managed. Getting real-time market data on NinjaTrader is simple once you have selected the plan subscription. If you found this video helpful, do not forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and we will see you again in the next video.